Laguna Beach, California. We've got a 2,000 gallon custom koi pond that we installed about a couple years ago. I'm just coming back today doing some general maintenance, replacing a check valve. This is a really unique system because of the awkward location of this pump and filter. What it has is an automatic motor right here, which is going to go ahead and change your settings for you by the click of a button. So in other words, you can backwash this system from inside your house by just pushing a button. This is a really cool thing when you don't want to get back by the equipment, it's in a really horrible position, or if you just want to have the latest and greatest in pond technology. Visit us on the web or at our store in Orange.